Hi there, I'm excited to show you a new capability that we have recently released here at Mobb that allows you to commit fixes to a target branch. So to explain a little bit of how this works, currently when you want to bring a fix to your repository, whether that is GitHub, GitLab, Azure DevOps, or Bitbucket, Mobb allows you to create a pull request that contains the fix that points to a target branch. And this is mainly useful in the case, let's say you are pointing the fix to a main branch or a master branch, in which case a pull request will be useful for reviewing the fix before they are merged. Now, what if as a developer, I have an ongoing branch, let's say it's called develop, that I am making patches or changes to it. Now, Mobb allows you to directly commit fixes into that branch that you're working on without the need of a pull request. So without further ado, let's take a look and see how this works. So here I am at a project that has already completed with all the fixes and all the categories of fixes that you can see that Mobb is supporting here. Let's go inside one of the SQL injection fix and let's go to this one. As you continue to review the fix and you are ready to go apply the fix into your repository, what you can do now is you can leverage the apply fix button here at the top. Once you click on the apply fix, you will see that there are now two options. You can now create a pull request or you can commit directly to a target branch. If I use the create a pull request, I can expand the more options and this will allow me to see all the details that the pull request needs, including the temporary branch that Mobb will be creating along with the title and the description that goes into the pull request. Now, if I want to commit directly to a target branch, I can now select the other option, in which case I also need to tell Mobb which branch I want to commit the fix directly into. So let's say I pick this one, and then if I'm all good to go, I can now click on the commit changes. And now, as you can see, Mobb has successfully committed the fix that we were looking at in the Mobb user interface directly into my repository here as a direct commit. If I look at the detail section, I can still see all the details that Mobb has created for me that explain what this commit is trying to do in terms of addressing the issue that was reported by the SaaS report. If I go back to the Mobb user interface and I go back to the report, I can now see that the fix is now showing a status of committed along with the icon that points to the commit URL that was created in my repository. So if I leverage this icon here, I can still go back to the commit page that we were looking at earlier. So really useful for people who wants to go back and review what was committed in the past. Also notice how the icon of commit is actually different than a pull request. So if I look at the icon here, this is the icon of a direct commit. If I scroll down to another fix that I did earlier, here we are showing the icon of a pull request. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. As you can see, it's a really powerful feature for developers who want to commit fixes directly to a branch that they're working on. So as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help.